Hey everyone, Ryan Swindle, Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort. Today I have two really special guests. They came all the way up from Tennessee. What was it, about an 11-hour drive for you guys?
Yes, it was.
11-hour drive up here to purchase a 2014 brand new Volt. I'm sitting here with Kevin, and this is his wife Becky. How was your guys' experience today?
It was an awesome experience. Everything went real smooth, real quick.
Got you guys in and out in like an hour. We was here just after 9. 10 o'clock, we're out of here. Would you guys recommend friends and family even though you guys are so far away?
Yes, would.
All right, guys. Well, we really appreciate y'all's business here at Phillips Chevrolet. Thank you. Guys, come see me, Ryan Swindle, Phillips Chevrolet.